Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Gadget Guy, the place where durability meets design and gear gets real. Today, we're diving into a serious piece of protective hardware, the Pelican Vault long case. Whether you're storing a rifle, transporting camera gear, or just someone who needs a case that can take a beating and come back for more, this one deserves your attention. So buckle up. We're about to break down everything you need to know about this beast of a case. Let's get into it. First impressions. Alright, let's start with the basics. Right out of the box, the Pelican Vault long case makes an impression. It's got that classic, no-nonsense Pelican look. Black, bold, and built like a tank. We're talking heavy-duty, high-impact polymer construction here. You can immediately tell this isn't some lightweight knockoff from your average sporting goods store. It's meant to survive drops, slides, impacts. Basically everything short of a direct meteor strike. Now let's talk size. This thing is long, like really long. It's designed to fit most rifles, but the interior is also versatile enough to accommodate things like tripods, long lenses, drones, and even fishing rods if that's your thing. The model we're reviewing is the Pelican Vault V800 double rifle case, and it measures about 53 inches long, 16 inches wide, and nearly 7 inches deep. It's got ample space and plenty of foam to keep your gear safe. Build quality plus hardware. Now, Pelican doesn't mess around with build quality, and the Vault series stays true to that standard. Let's start with the latches. You get 4 push-button latches, and they're not just there for show. These things lock down tight. They're easy to open when you want, but almost impossible to accidentally pop open even during rough transit. You also get 4 padlock holes, all stainless steel reinforced, for TSA-approved locks. That's a big win for anyone traveling or checking this case at the airport. Total peace of mind. The handles are ergonomic and rugged. And the wheels? Oh yeah, this case rolls. That might not sound like a big deal, but when you're hauling 40-plus pounds of gear through a parking lot or across a field, it makes a world of difference. Pelican didn't skimp here. The wheels are smooth, durable, and built for rough terrain. Interior plus customization. Inside the Vault long case, you'll find layered, customizable foam. It's not pre-cut like some other models, which is actually a plus in our book. Why? Because you can precisely cut out spaces for your gear, whether it's a couple of rifles, a camera rig, or even a mixed loadout of tools and tech. It's DIY-friendly and gives you full control over how everything fits. You also get a soft layer of egg crate foam in the lid to keep everything snug when the case is closed. No sliding, no knocking around. If you're someone who values precision packing, this is your playground. Quick pause. If you're finding this review helpful so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got loads more gear reviews, buyer's guides, and field tests coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Alright, let's keep rolling. Weather resistance plus durability. Here's where the Pelican Vault really earns its reputation: weather resistance. Now, unlike the higher-end Pelican Protector series, the Vault series isn't fully waterproof, but it is weather resistant. That means it can handle rain, snow, dirt, dust, and moisture like a champ. Just don't plan to dunk it in a lake. Still, this case is crush-proof, dust-proof, and designed for impact protection, making it ideal for both road trips and checked baggage on flights. And after a few test drops, yeah, we dropped it a lot, the case came away with just a few scuffs and scratches. All contents inside, safe and sound. Who is it for? So, who should consider the Pelican Vault long case? Hunters who want to protect their rifles. Photographers and filmmakers transporting sensitive gear. Drone pilots with large setups. Anyone traveling with fragile, valuable equipment. Honestly, even if you're not in a tactical profession, the case is versatile enough for almost any purpose that involves expensive, sensitive gear. And given the price point, which is far more accessible than some of Pelican's premium models, you're getting a lot of protection for the money. Drawbacks. Now, nothing's perfect, and the Pelican Vault long case has a couple of downsides. First, weight. Empty. This case weighs around 24 pounds, and that's before you add anything inside. So yeah, it's not exactly ultralight. Second, no built-in pressure valve. Unlike some higher-end Pelican cases, the Vault series doesn't include a pressure equalization valve, which could be an issue for frequent flyers or people transporting gear to high altitudes. And finally, the foam is DIY cut, which is great for customization, but also means it takes time and precision. If you're not comfortable with a utility knife and a steady hand, it can be a little frustrating. Wrap up plus verdict. So final thoughts? The Pelican Vault long case delivers where it counts: rugged build, customizable interior, secure locking system, and real-world durability. Whether you're on the range, in the field, or just tossing it in the back of a pickup, this case is built to protect. Here are the key takeaways. Pros: tough and rugged construction, secure locking latches with padlock points, customizable foam interior, TSA compliant, smooth rolling wheels. Cons: hefty weight, no pressure valve, foam requires manual cutting. Overall, we're giving the Pelican Vault long case a solid 8.7 out of 10. It's not the most premium case Pelican makes, but for the price, it delivers serious protection and professional-grade design without breaking the bank. If you're looking to level up your gear protection game, this case should definitely be on your radar. We've dropped an Amazon link in the description below if you want to check it out, complete with current pricing and reviews from other users. It might just be the last case you ever need. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gadget reviews, and let us know in the comments what you want us to test next. See you in the next one. Modern Gadget Guy signing off.